The renowned actor Ray Liotta had made a lasting impression on Hollywood with his piercing eyes and unadulterated intensity that captivated spectators all over the world. Liotta, who is well known for his iconic part in Goodfellas, is praised not only for his acting ability but also for the nuance and genuineness he infused into each character. His performances continue to have an impact on audiences and other actors. He was born in Newark, New Jersey, and had a difficult upbringing. Being adopted at birth, he frequently thought about his sentiments of desire and displacement, which would later drive the sincerity of his performances. Beneath his tough exterior, friends and co-workers frequently noted that he had a very sensitive nature. He was remembered by those who knew him well as being incredibly generous, fiercely devoted, and empathetic towards everyone around him. From his early television parts to his big-budget film successes, Ray's career spanned decades. He was a storyteller at heart, though despite his notoriety, he previously acknowledged that acting allowed him to examine the many sides of human nature, including love, remorse, rage, and brief moments of happiness. Because he was familiar with real-life suffering and emotion, he was able to give his character such depth. Co-stars would frequently describe how Ray would show up on set with total dedication, improving everyone around him, not only with his skill but also with his kindness and support. Ray's life had its dark side despite its glitz. He battled isolation and the demands of Hollywood just like many other artists. However, people who encountered him frequently came away with the feeling that he was a person who lived life to the fullest, loved deeply, and placed a high emphasis on honesty. Simple moments that reminded him of life outside the camera, like calm discussions, a delicious meal with friends, or a stroll across the city, were known to be precious to him. In addition to the movies he provided us with, Ray Liotta's legacy is found in the candor he infused into each scene and exchange. His humanity, the joy, vulnerability, and kindness will endure in the hearts of both those who knew him and those who admired him from a distance. His performances will continue to inspire. The people who loved Ray Liotta lost a soul who genuinely lived every moment, but the world lost a gifted performer. His presence was incomparable, his compassion everlasting, and his intensity unrivaled. Ray Liotta was more than just a celebrity. He was a natural force and a reminder that life is supposed to be truly experienced, despite all its ups and downs. Thanks for watching CNET News. Stay tuned for more updates and stories from around the world. See you next time.